Well, I figured out what the shing noise is on the Amyet S8. It's shinging up against the caliper. Yeah, I was always taught, squeeze the brake with the mounting bolts loose, these here, and when you squeeze the brake, it's supposed to center up that caliper. And then once you squeeze the brake, then you tighten those down. Well, that's what I did. But evidently I'm going to have to adjust that caliper over to the left a little bit, because this is actually riding up against the caliper a little bit. Check this. I think this one's okay. At least I think it is. I can't see it. Yeah, it's over toward the side. I need to. But that's how I've always done my brakes. You squeeze it, tighten up the bolts, and then let off, and it should center the brake.